We in the water. What are we going? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. And let me just tell y'all right now, this is an easy breezy wig out the pack that doesn't hurt your pockets. Have a seat. Before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes from BeautyForever hair. All the specs in my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 10-inch water wave 220% density unit. You can see mine got that water on it, okay, because I washed her immediately out the pack. I'm trying to get better. So I suggest you go ahead and join me and wash your wig too, okay? But I did find my wig perfume and I'm gonna spray some on this wig because I just want to make sure she smells good when I walk past the girls at the mailbox. Okay, you hear me? Now it is important to know that this one comes with a stationary part. It's a little bit of parting space in there, so if you want to pluck anything extra or you kind of, you know, shift it a little bit, you can do that, but it's only on one side. The left side to be exact. Why I oughta. Y'all know I am a right side girl and they told me it was a right side. Did you get confused? But for that price point, make it work. So that's what I'm gonna do by going ahead and getting this wig situated on my head because it's pool day, pool day. Just lounge around in the water, okay? And I like to have me a water wave wig when I do that. So let me go ahead and tint my smidge of lace with my contour palette. I'm using a Black Radiance contour palette as always in the shade medium to dark, and I'm using a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade, just like that. When I say this is an easy install, I mean that. Just a little water and you can let it air dry if you want to. I'm not gonna do that though. I'm gonna go ahead and use my diffuser for mine. Ooh, that left side. I can't believe you, BeautyForever. And don't be alarmed, it's gonna look good on me, okay? It looks good on the left side. It just feels off for me. Do I gotta pluck anything? No, I think that looks pretty decent. It doesn't feel too loose on my head, but I can still tighten down the drawstring in the back, so I'm gonna do that. Y'all see how cute that looks? Can you imagine me in the ocean frolicking around with my little curl? Yeah, and it's a bob, so you don't gotta worry about too much water dripping down on your outfit and messing up your look. Pull and then lock it and tuck up the excess. They call this a 6x4, like it's 6 inches of lace from here to here. And all this right here is the frontal. Let me pull this out. Frontal part. You can see this is a part. This is a frontal. So this is where all the lace is, right in this section right here. Okay. So you can do any parting up in here. Again, it's on the left side, but if I wanted to make it a right side, I could kind of flip it a little bit. See that right there? I could still do it, just not with a deep side part. I don't really need any like edges down. I feel like it looks fine the way it looks. Looks fine the way it looks. Yeah, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I am gonna use some of my Nairobi mousse just to kind of melt down my frontal. Ooh. God, I should have shook it up. I knew it as soon as I did it. Just kind of tease that up. Wrap it down. All right, I'm gonna use my curl mousse or curl foam, whatever you want to call it. Just imagine plopping this wig on in the morning, do all the mousse and things, and then you get outside and just have the time of your life. Okay, not worry about a wig or a curl or a product or nothing. Just water. You can go to the bathroom and do that. Take this wig to breakfast, to lunch, to the pool, to the beach, to dinner. Okay, on an excursion. You can do everything in this wig because it's a very low maintenance, low effort type of unit. I love it. Now you may not love some of that shedding that you get with this unit. I am getting some with mine as I'm raking through this hair, like a few pieces at a time. And I did get some when I washed the wig as well. For $110, I'm not gonna complain too much, but I'm also not gonna let everything slide. You hear me? What am I doing? If you are part challenged like me, that stationary part that it comes with will be your lifesaver. I can never do side parts right. It's like you gotta part it wrong to make it look right. Comb it down. I'm gonna do some finger coils. Not too much, just a little something, just to add some definition to the hair. This part is optional, taking no time at all. Thank you so much. Scrunch it and scrunch it. Get my blow dryer and my diffuser, and I'm going to diffuse this hair thoroughly. Oh, if I can get this on here. I'm gonna alternate between warm and cool to diffuse the hair. Okay, so who didn't turn her mic on? Me. I didn't, but I'm gonna show you real quick what I did. I took my band off, I cut my sides a little bit shorter for some baby swoops or some swishies, and then I added some powder to my parting space. I made sure my lace was blended down to me using my contour color. Oh, I added some hairspray to the hair to kind of liven it up a little bit, and that's it. So yeah, here's the final look. Wait a minute. Has BeautyForever converted me? I think I can pull this left side off really well. So, you know, there's that for the look. As far as the hair is concerned, I don't have any issues with the unit. It's very hard to get a water wave unit to look thick without going thick in pockets. This unit is perfect for the warmer months. I quite literally have no complaints about the wig whatsoever. Not even the shedding. Keep your fingers out your hair and you'll be fine. The parting space, whether it's on that left side or right side, looks great. I feel like you should offer the option for the left side or the right side. What you think, BeautyForever? Get on that, get on that. This wig is very beginner friendly. Y'all saw what I did, barely anything, okay? You can literally put this wig on out the pack and go out the door if you want something like that. But yeah, y'all, I can't stop doing this.
Get in the water. What our wig on? You want to make sure she's secure though. Add some glue to her or something.
That is one thing you want to make sure is that your wig is secure down the front, because that weight that pulled on my wig, it was about to snatch it right off in this pool. That'll be a whole nother video. Everyday wig, beginner friendly, $110. It looks good on me, can look good on you. Yeah, I think that's good. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.